ready to unlock a consistent stream of real estate leads using the power of Facebook ads directed straight to your Real Geeks website. First, head over to Facebook Ads Manager A Circumflex Euros. You can get there by clicking the downward arrow on the top right corner of Facebook and selecting Manage Ads. Once inside, click the green Create button to start a new campaign for our objective. Choose Leads to maximize lead generation for your Real Geeks site. Now, define your target audience focus on demographics relevant to real estate buyers or sellers in your service area. Consider factors like age, location, interests, and even life events. Next, craft compelling ad copy that highlights the benefits of your Real Geeks website. Mention things like property search tools, market reports, and neighborhood insights. Include a clear call to action like search homes now or get a free home valuation. Make sure your ad creative is visually appealing. Use high-quality photos or videos of properties or your local area. A visually engaging ad will grab attention and encourage clicks. Ensure your call to action button links directly to a relevant page on your Real Geeks website, such as a property listing page or a home valuation tool. This will drive traffic to your site and capture leads. Finally, set a budget and schedule that aligns with your goals. Start with a modest budget and gradually increase it as you optimize your campaign based on performance. Regularly monitor your ad performance, paying close attention to metrics like click-through rate, cost per lead, and website traffic. Use this data to refine your targeting, ad copy, and creative for maximum lead generation. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating effective Facebook ads that drive qualified leads directly to your Real Geeks website, boosting your real estate business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Real Geeks marketing tips.